Many people say you should not trust the answers given by Google. So today I am going to search some random question on Google and we will check if the answer is correct or not. Random questions asked on Google. And we are asking that on Google. Okay, this one looks interesting. So the question is, what is a red-eye flight and why it is called so?
So according to Google, a red-eye flight is a flight scheduled to depart at night and arrive the next morning, and which is too short to allow a full night's sleep. And the term red-eye derives from the symptom of having red eyes after the flight.
But I wonder if this is true. I guess there is only one way to find out. Let's go. Now I'm at Silicon Valley in California and I got a ticket of Delta Airlines, Atlanta. So flight leaves from here at 11 p.m. and it will reach Atlanta at 7 a.m. So this is not actually a 8 hours flight, but it's a 5 hours flight. But because of the time difference, we will lose 3 hours. Pretty much it's the ideal red-eye flight. Let's check the eyes before I board. Not red. And I will check it back when I reach to Atlanta. It's time to board. So it's 6:30 in the morning and I'm at Atlanta airport. My body is so confused about what time it is. So let's see if eyes are red. Let's go to hotel and sleep.